Felipe, Mexico for the Desert Mayhem 175. Jonathan Brenthel is letting us rent one of his Gen 3 Brenthel trucks until our 2 new trucks are ready. So it's going to be a good weekend. We just shook down the truck. It ran super fast, and we're ready to go. So my co-driver for this Desert Mayhem 175 race is Matt with Busted Knuckle Films. You may have seen him on YouTube. Just Matt, tell us a little bit to the viewers about yourself.
So I'm known for making rock bouncer videos, driving rock bouncers and Jeeps and UTVs, and not co-driving. I've never co-driven before in my life, especially something with over 1,000 horsepower, so wish me luck.
So he's raced a ton of different stuff, especially on rock, so out here in the desert it might be a little different, but we're gonna have a ton of fun, go as fast as we can, and hopefully we can get up top.
Oh, the family love.
So fast. He hugs his daddy. Here, hug me real real. My camera's going. Hey man, what's up, buddy?
How you been? I see you in a week.
I'm gonna fall down, you gotta carry me. So we just pulled up to tech. We have the truck with the Brenthel guys. We're gonna get through the tech line. So the cool thing for this race is we're actually Chris Phillips. He's actually gonna be running the bike class on this bike right here. So that's gonna be spicing it up for the content you see. So hopefully we can get some cool videos of him and spice up this video.
Woo.
It's that fat seat.
Sounds very spicy.
Is your seat this fat on this bike?
My bike. It's my.
Do you like that?
He always sits down,
Big
so that's why
fat?
he got it wider. Where's all your gear, dude?
We are in the line for tech. Check out this bike. Looks good. I like it. What do you think? Should I get one of these? No, just kidding. I'll fall down in the first corner. But we're in tech. There's a lot of people lined up, a lot of spectators. So we're gonna get through here and then get everything for sure, like tech, good to go, and then we'll be ready to race tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's race morning. So we're waiting for Chris Phillips to come by on the Redline bike. Right after that, we're gonna have to go hop into staging, and then I'm gonna hop in the trophy truck. I'm actually gonna be first off because we qualified first. So we're gonna have clear air all day. So hopefully we can just stay on the gas all day, go as fast as possible, and just be consistent, keep the truck together, and hopefully we can put it on top.
So, Chris, how was it?
Oh, it was rough, hard. We made it though. Good times.
Finished first in your class?
Yeah, first in class. Third
Ironman the whole
overall,
thing?
I think, in bikes. But yeah, stock bike did pretty good. Basically off the showroom floor. Put a tank on it, came and raced it. It's the same manufacturer. Third, yeah, just hit it hard, you know, and brought it just like it. How could you not like it? You know what? Pull it out. Right now.
You excited about today?
Yeah. So hoping we keep the truck together and make fast lap times and win this thing.
Oh yeah.
I didn't come here to just hang out.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, but we're about to go get lined up, get staged. We're off first, so we're gonna have clear air all day. Truck looks awesome. We got it cleaned up from qualifying yesterday, but we're ready to go. Just got some breakfast. We're about to go get lined up, and we'll take off first. Just luck. So kind of a crazy thing. I'm not really sure what happened, to be honest. But with like 20 miles to go, we were just going like 110 plus miles over some whoops, and we just had a blowout. The car started stepping out. I wasn't sure what was wrong, and then we pulled over because I was pretty sure it was just a blowout, and then we got it changed. Probably like the fastest tire change I've ever done for sure. But they kept going again. And then crazy story, probably less than 500 feet from the finish, I don't know what happened. Truck like completely stalled. RPMs went all the way up, but no power at all. I tried to shift it. It's not the transmission. I'm not sure what's wrong, and so they just pushed us over to the real finish line. But I mean, we made it through where the timing stopped, so we'll have to see on time where we're at. But good race overall, super fast.
That was like a 4-hour car wreck.
4-hour car wreck?
Yeah, it was insane. Like you're going 100 miles an hour through whoops that are probably 4 or 5 foot tall. There's just absolutely nothing like it. I've done a lot of things off-road in my life, and I don't think anything touches this. This was insane. And like, you're freaking out to start with for like the first lap, and after that you just kind of settle in and become numb to it after that. So we had good notes and read them all good, correctly, I guess. Got a little rowdy towards the end and got excited about finishing. Got a flat tire, like maybe 4 miles from the finish. Had to swap it out real quick. And then, I don't know what we broke, maybe 100 yards before the finish line, coasting across the finish line. You don't get a better finish than that, coasting across the finish line with a truck that won't move.
Alright guys, this is a super good weekend down in San Felipe, Mexico. Our buddy Chris ended up getting first in Ironman bike, and we actually came up top in the trophy truck class. So super good weekend, it was a ton of fun. Thanks to everyone that put on the race. We're about to head out and go get some breakfast, so we'll see you there.
Hey guys, Chris here. Great weekend down here in San Felipe. Rough course. I was on a completely stock 4PX. Awesome time being with the Redline racing crew and having a bike and a truck put together and managed to take first place in both.
Nice to meet you. You get a hug.
See you, Chris.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. We have some big news coming up about some celebrity spare drivers for a couple big races that are coming up this season, so make sure you're following us on social media to keep up with the news on that. Check it out, Jax Redline, every single platform you can think of. So we'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.